Hello brother, okay, now I show you how to use the semi-automatic soldering machine, okay. First we get the machine, connect the power, okay, connect the power and assemble the tin wire here, okay. Assemble the tin wire. Different connectors use the different tin wire, okay, this part. Then we do not connect the L, okay. We do not connect the L. We adjusting the machine first, okay. I introduced for you, okay. This is the soldering bit, okay. This is the L cylinder to control the part go up and down, okay. First we get the cable wire, okay. First we put one connectors, okay, put it on here, the USB connectors, and then we put the tin wire out. Okay, like this, you see the tin wire like this, okay. So when we have to turn off the L, then we put the cable like this. First, we have to confirm the address, confirm the location of each part. Okay, like this. Then we press down this. Also this part, the tin wire must go out. This part can get out, okay. Then this part get down here. Then we like this. We confirm the soldering tin. The tin wire must in the middle of this one. Like this one, okay. When we go down, okay, the tin wire must in the middle of the Allen bit, okay. We go down like this. Only like this can soldering. Only like this can soldering, okay. Then we confirm this one can adjust in the go down, the length, okay. How much go down, okay. This one can adjust. You can see if I like this, the Allen bit can go down, okay. If I adjusting like this, you can see the part, this part can only be here, okay. 拿远一点嘛，我在演示这个东西怎么上下嘛，上下你不是到了 ，you see。This one can adjusting this part go up and down, okay, and control the adjusting the distance of this part. Adjust the distance, okay. Then so if we soldering like this, so we have to adjusting this part. Adjusting this part, go down. In the middle, when the Allen bit touch the connectors is okay, then then we lock this. So each time the Allen bit, this part will be here, okay. Then after everything confirmed, okay, then we lock this. Okay, then we turn on we connect the L, okay, connect the L. connect the L, then we turn on the this one, the soldering station, okay? Stripping the inner wheel, okay? Then we put it on the machine. Then like this, okay? Then we place the foot controller. Okay, you can see the length, this part go down, must go a little more. So we are adjusting this part again. So we do like this. Now introduce the system for you, okay? This one usually this one no need, only adjusting this one, the soldering delay, different connectors, different time, okay? You have to check by yourself. And this one is the below 10, is below this one, below the island bit.